Hi and welcome to ISE 2020 in Barcelona. Welcome to the booth of Televic conference. My name is Didier Rosé. Today what we introduce here is a couple of things. We already have our Confidia Flex, both the wired version and also the wireless version. So basically on this booth we have 6 of the wired versions that are connected to the main brain, which is our Plixus engine. And then we also have a wireless station with the Confidia Flex wireless. We also release a couple of new microphone options where we have basically the low profile microphone for more visually pleasing architectures. And also we have different types of microphones with double flex in a 50 centimeter and a 60 centimeter version. What we also have done now is that we can couple the wired version and the wireless version together in one room. So if you have, for instance, applications where you have a fixed install but a speaker desk that moves to different positions, you can make that combination perfectly. Or also for wheelchair persons, for instance, you give them a wireless device so you can bring it closer to the table. What is also new is that the fact that we have a direct combination between the interpreter desks and our G4 wireless, where we can transfer up to 7 languages plus the floor immediately on the wireless communication link. So that's also a unique feature that has been added to the conference solution. So I think very powerful. If you would be interested, please visit our booth 3P100, and for more information you can visit our website www.televic.com/conference.